Welcome to Emergency Denture Repairs, Perth's largest and most experienced manufacturer of new dentures and implants. Established in 1979, EDR services the entire Perth metropolitan area with a reputation for quality, affordability and customer service. With 7 convenient locations, we have one near you.
My dental situation was in extreme trouble. Basically, I knew that my teeth were crumbling inside.
I had a broken denture and just the fear of having to come to the dentist.
My teeth were always a source of great shame. It affected me enormously in every single aspect.
I called them after hours and was lucky enough to get in touch with somebody. I was able to meet Eno and have a very relaxed, comfortable meeting, learning about what the process would be.
He made me feel so relaxed. It was just amazing.
I knew within a few minutes that he knew exactly what needed to be done. He made me the most beautiful set of teeth.
I never thought I'd be able to see teeth in my mouth looking so good. It was a very, very tearful occasion. It felt like a rebirth.
It just felt so good to walk out and just smile and show my teeth.
The team have restored symmetry to my face and I could eat whatever I liked. It was like being 20 years younger.
I'm 74 years old and I feel like I'm a spring chicken.
There was so much happiness, love and understanding. I would highly recommend anyone for something that's going to make them feel happy for the rest of their lives, which is having a smile back.
Book an appointment today for a free consultation.